To allow auto update for dynamic lock screen wallpapers on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style. Tap change wallpaper. Scroll down the screen. Under Wallpaper Services section, tap Dynamic Lock Screen Thumbnail. Scroll down the screen. And then tap the gray on off switch next to Auto Update until the switch turns blue to turn it on. By enabling this option, your phone will be allowed to automatically update your dynamic lock screen wallpapers by downloading the wallpapers in your current rotation from time to time. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.